We begin this afternoon with vaccination frustration growing among some seniors as the vaccine effort in Metro Detroit starts to kick into high gear. Good afternoon, I'm Glenda Lewis.
And I'm Alan Campbell. A massive boost today in the number of people being registered, but some in Oakland County say they are still having difficulty getting a spot. Here's where things stand.
Well, first, that big boost in registrations. Myers saying that in less than 24 hours, 35,000 people have been registered for that mass vaccination clinic at Ford Field. That number growing by 2,000 people every hour. So far, more than 3 million shots have gone into arms here in Michigan. More than 24% of Michigan residents over the age of 16 have now had at least one of the COVID vaccines. But as those numbers grow, some seniors fear they're being left behind.
We've had seniors or even family members reach out to us in Oakland County, where 62% of seniors have received at least one dose. Some other counties like Washtenaw, that rate is higher. And
these seniors hoping to get their vaccines soon as the number of cases continues upward, passing the 2,000 mark today with 27 additional deaths. 7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig is live in West Bloomfield, where she is getting answers for those seniors who are still looking to get their first doses. Kimberly?
Yes, Alan and Glenda, and as you can imagine, this is so frustrating for many seniors out there. And if anyone is having trouble registering online, get a pen and paper because we have a phone number that can help, and we'll just bring it to you in just a moment. But the folks here at this firehouse where they received their second dose today, they were looking forward to seeing their grandkids and going to church.
It's a relief. It's a wonderful relief.
Here at one of West Bloomfield firehouses today, a vaccine clinic, and for some that means a much anticipated second shot.
Well, I'd like to see more of my kids and grandkids.
I do have some doctor's appointments that I've canceled so I can do those things. I feel safer.
But for some seniors in Oakland County, getting the vaccine has been frustrating.
My 94-year-old friend, who's not that computer savvy, finally gave up and walked into the Oakland County Health Department and said, I'm 94 and I need to get vaccinated. And they found an appointment for him.
Gary Rutledge says he and his wife eventually got their vaccines through Rite Aid, but the locations were far away.
It was like, there are these options and you have to go out and do your best. If you weren't computer savvy, if you didn't know how to get on these websites, if you didn't know how to scan the various options you had, you're in pretty tough shape.
We do recommend for everyone, whether it's seniors or if you're in some other eligibility group, to get on as many lists as you're able to get on and take the first appointment that you get.
Oakland County spokesperson Bill Mullen says they want people to register on Save Your Spot on their website and other places, including Rite Aid and Meijer.
It's a team effort. But at the end of the day, it comes down to supply.
You miss going to church, you miss hearing the congregations sing, you miss hugging people in the lobby. I miss being able to walk down the aisle at Kroger and smile at somebody and have them smile back.
There's some people where we live that are still trying to get their first one.
Are they seniors?
Yeah.
What did they say? What was the challenge? It has been a challenge.
Just no openings.
And those helping to organize the vaccine rollout for the county are not without their own pain from COVID.
We lost my mother-in-law in less than a week. She went into the hospital on a Monday, and we were told by Friday that she wasn't going to make it, and she died by that Sunday. When people are critical of some of the measures that are being taken or what have you, it just stings a little personally.
So if you do need to make an appointment by phone, if you need to register, I should say, by phone, you can actually call Nurse on Call for help. The number is on your screen there. It's 1-800-848-5533. That is Nurse on Call, and you'll let them know that you want to register for Save Your Spot. Again, that phone number is 1-800-848-5533. And don't worry if you missed that phone number, we'll have it on our website at WXYZ.com. And Glenda, we do want to let people know that Oakland County did get 10,000 doses yesterday to be administered also. So it's coming. It may seem slow, but it is coming. Back to you.
All right, Kim, that is some good news to finish with. Thank you so much. Alan.